I love my salads. And for a quick lunch, this is the salad I tend to make, mango and prawn salad. So the best thing to do is when you buy the mango, make sure that you get the really rock hard ones because it's easier to peel, and also you can find them quite easy in the supermarket because nobody wants these hard ones, but they're perfect for the salad. What we do first is going to take the skin off. So the skin is quite thick, so make sure you do get a decent layer off when you do this. That's it. And then using a julienne peeler, I love this one. It's great for mango salad or carrot. It doesn't taste like mango, if I'm honest. It's more like crispy in texture, slightly sour, which works really well against the sweet, spicy dressing. The herbs that I've got today are things you can find in the supermarket quite easily. So Thai basil, mint and coriander. If you don't like some of these herbs, swap out for the ones you love. Then all we need to do is just slice these thinly and lace it through the salad. It smells amazing. This reminds me so much of summer, very fresh. So all we do is just add the chopped herbs into the salad. And give it a quick stir. See, I promised you a quick salad, sorted. So for the dressing, you need 1 clove of garlic, chilli, a lime, fish sauce obviously, and then you can swap the sugar out for some beautiful honey. The one I'm using today is from my friend Louisa, and it's the lime flavoured one. So the honey is special for this one because it's not infused with lime, but it's where the bees forage on the lime trees. So garlic is pestle mortar, and I do like it hot, so I'm going to put a whole bird's eye chilli in. If you don't like it, half the portion or take the seeds out, and then give it a good pound. If you don't have a pestle mortar, you know what? A food processor is fine. Great. So you've got it nice and smooth. Next, we're going to add the lime. I love the zinginess of this sauce. The smell of the lime is really refreshing. It reminds me of sunshine and the sunshiny days. I quite like to put the lime with the garlic, so it kind of cook out the garlic a little bit before you add all the other ingredients. So 1 tablespoon of good quality honey. So I chose the lime one because I've got lime juice today. 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you like more sugar, add some more honey. If you like a little bit more tart, add some more lime. But for me, this is about right. So that's the dressing sorted. And to balance the salad out, we like something crispy. In my family, it's a bit naughty. I know salad's supposed to be healthy. We like a handful of prawn crackers. So I'm going to just cook some prawn crackers and plate this up for you. So for a quick lunch, I just buy the prawns that are already cooked and peeled. You dress it just before you serve. And then if you're not allergic to peanuts, some peanuts for crunch, and fried shallots for decadent smelling flavours. And not forgetting our prawn crackers that we made. Side. You can tell I'm hungry. I made a portion big enough for 2. My very quick lunch, guys, Thuy or mango salad with prawn crackers. I hope you make it. It's delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more dishes like this.